Hi guys, welcome to the Cloud Universe. Myself Naveen. In this video, we will learn what are variable groups in Azure and how to consume them in the YAML pipelines. So as you can see here, variable groups are they store values and secrets that you might want to be passed into YAML pipelines or make available across multiple pipelines. You can share and use variable groups in multiple pipelines in the same project. Without wasting any time, let's go to ADO and then we'll create variable groups here. So this is my ADO. To create variable groups, you have to go to pipelines under pipelines library. Click on library and uh, I already have created two variable groups. You can just click on plus variable group and you can add like this. You have to give a name and you can add whatever variables you want to add here. I'll just show you what I have created. So I have created two variable groups. One is called development, another is QA. In development variable groups, I have put two variables, var1, var2. Var1 stores the value of blue, var2 stores the value of yellow. And similarly, in QA, we again have two variables, var1 and var2. Var1 is red, var2 is white. Now, how to consume these variables in pipeline? Let's go to a pipeline and let's edit it. And I'll add the code from the beginning. So we'll start from trigger. Let's put none. Pool VM image. Let's go for Ubuntu latest and parameters. Name development and type. Type is Boolean. Default is false. Similarly, add one more parameter, QA, type, again it's Boolean, default is false, stages, we'll add the first stage and it is dev stage, development stage or dev stage. Let's give a display name, dev stage. So here we want to use variables. We want to consume variables from variable groups. For that, what we have to do is use this keyword variables. group. Which group we want to use? Development. So what is this development group? This is a variable group which we have defined in our previous step. I will show you. So we have defined two variable groups. One is called development and one is called QA. So in this stage, we want to consume variables from development variable group. And next step is jobs, job, steps, script. So we want to just display the variable from the variable group. This is, so how to consume those variables? You just have to use dollar and inside the brace use that value var1. And what if you have a template and there also you want to consume the you want to consume the variables from variable groups. We'll see that example also. Template. We'll create one template after completing this file. Let's give a name, build template dot YAML. And similarly, we can add one more stage for QA. QA. Let's change all these names. So as you can see here, now variable group is QA variable group. QA variable group. I want to consume QA variable group variables in this particular stage. Rest everything is same. Echo. This is var1 and also build template which we want to run. Let's save it. Save without validating as of now. Now we'll go to repos. So this is the uh, Azure Azure pipelines.yaml file which I just created. Now we'll add one template here, build template. Let's add a build template dot YAML. Create. So in this file, we'll add some simple step which consumes variables from variable group. Steps. Again, we'll add a script. Echo. This is again dollar inside the brace where now this time we'll consume variable 2 here in the template. And we'll commit it. So what we did is we have created two variable groups. Each variable have variables var1 and var2, and we have created a pipeline with template. Now we'll run this pipeline. Let's see how it behaves. So we have two parameters. Let's choose both of them, development and QA. Parameters. Run. Uh, Dev stage variable group development could not be found. Okay, there is some spelling mistake here. Let's see what is that. It is develop development. Yeah, now it is correct. Now I think it should work. So the dev stage is running now. Execution has started. So we'll see this one first. Command line, the script from pipeline file. This is blue. Variable one. This is blue. And in command line 2, this is yellow. So if we go to development variable group, as you can see, variable 1 is blue, variable 2 is yellow. So command line 1 is from pipeline file, command line 2 is from template. Similarly, if we go to QA stage, command line 1, this is red, command line 2, this is white. If we go to QA variable group, where 1 is red, where 2 is white. So this is how we consume variable groups in the pipeline. Thanks for watching.